My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called HYJ. My video is only for educational purposes, and I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But this HYJ ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. It then appends this HYJ extension to the file names, so it's not possible to use the data. It also reveals this ransom note in Russian language, I guess. The ransomware demands from the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. There is no guarantee that your money would be restored, that your files would be restored if you pay the ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com, and you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser to download Combo Cleaner. So download the software, install the application, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching the computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And as you can clearly see, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. And you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps you to remove the ransomware and to protect your files. However, it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and then at the end of the scan you will see the full summary of infections. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Certain threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data will be always protected, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So as I said, pay attention to the link in the description to this video. It will give you some recommendations on file recovery.